This is her color. Buy these on store at deepcolor.com. Thank you, and don't forget to like my page. And this is just a video that I'm going to forget and don't forget to like my page, follow me on Facebook, and follow me on Tumblr, and add me on Flickr. Thank you, I'm Princess Barry, and see you soon.